Pros and cons of painting walls same color as ceiling. Dear friends, painting your walls and ceiling the same color is a growing interior design trend that creates a smooth, unified look. Instead of a visual break between surfaces, the space feels more continuous and cohesive. One major advantage is the illusion of space. When walls and ceiling blend together, the room can appear larger and less confined. This is especially useful in small rooms or spaces with low ceilings. Another benefit is the elegant and modern aesthetic. A single color creates a calm and sophisticated environment. It also allows furniture, artwork, and decor elements to stand out more clearly against a uniform background. On the downside, using the same color everywhere can reduce visual contrast. This may make the room feel flat or less dynamic. Architectural details like cornices or trims might also get lost without color variation. Dark shades can add drama and coziness but may make the space feel smaller if not balanced with proper lighting. Lighter tones are safer but can sometimes feel too plain without added textures. In conclusion, this painting style works beautifully for a clean, modern look, but it requires thoughtful styling and lighting to maintain depth and visual interest. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.